Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-Keto and Low-Carb channel. Today I'll be making Yorkshire puddings. Of course you can serve this the traditional way as part of a Sunday roast, but today I'll be showing you different fillings and how versatile they are, sweet or savoury. So straight into the ingredients. Using a cupcake pan, put 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. Place the cupcake pan with your preferred cooking oil into the oven at 180 degrees for around 15 minutes or until it starts to boil. To a bowl or a jug, place 180 milliliters of double cream. To that, you're going to add 3 eggs seasoned with salt. Then you're going to add 30 grams or around 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. I find mine easily on Amazon, and mix well using an electric mixer. Our Yorkshire pudding batter is now ready. We're going to place our mixture into the cupcake tray that's already in the oven. As I mentioned before, the oil should be at boiling point. Into each of the cupcakes, place a large tablespoon of the mixture. You will see slowly how the mixture starts to rise. After 10 minutes, I'm going to use the back of a spoon to form the circle shape in the middle of each of the Yorkshire puddings. Leave in the oven for around 30 minutes till they are fully risen and they get that lovely golden colour. They will be soft in the middle and they will have a nice crunchy shell. Like I said in the beginning, you can serve it in a traditional way, or here you can use a tuna salad and mayo and an olive to garnish. And for more of a sweet offering, you can dust the Yorkshire puddings with some keto powdered sugar and then fill them with keto custard and then garnish with blueberries and strawberries. And if you're feeling more adventurous, you can actually shape this batter or mixture into an eclair shape, which you can fill in with keto custard and then powder the actual eclair with powdered keto sugar and then drizzle with dark chocolate. Our keto and low-carb Yorkshire puds are now ready. Of course, you can serve them the very traditional way, but I just wanted to show something different. You can make them sweet and savoury, and you can actually make the batter in many different shapes like I've shown. Please try it out and let me know. Any questions, please leave them below, and until next time.